So I thought I'd show off the TEQ Customs dynamic tail lights. These are the red version. And what we're going to be installing today is the whites, which I think will suit the silver truck a bit better. Tools you're going to need to take out the tails: little flathead, pry the trim off, and a 10mm socket. That's all there is to it. We're going to pop this center cap off on both sides. Real easy. 10mm bolts to take off. So we'll just speed through that right now. So in every package of your Tech Customs lights, you're going to get 2 dimmer modules that you're going to have to install on the lights to fix the dimming, to make the contrast between brake light and running light a lot more prevalent, which it does help a lot. So I highly recommend installing them. And you'll see how we wire them up here in 2 seconds. So on your new lights, we're going to take the blue wire that's on the harness itself, light blue only wire, and we're going to snip it. Like so, 2 pieces. You have positive and negative on each side. We're going to take the positive on the in wire, and we're going to attach to the blue light wire closer to the harness itself. The connectors they provide for you. You just need a pair of needle nose or pliers or whatever, clamp it on, and then it's nice and secure, good to go. And then we're going to take our positive out wire, and we're going to do the same thing. Put it on the other end of the snip wire we did, the blue anyways. Same thing. Click it on, good to go. And then the black wire coming out of the dimmer module itself, we're going to attach to the black wire that's on the back of the taillight harness. You're going to put the black wire with the clip closer to the harness itself. And then that's going to leave you with a yellow wire coming off the dimmer module itself, which we're going to attach to the same black wire, but we're going to be on the other side of it, on the outgoing harness end, so further away from the plug itself. Then you should be all good to go to put them back in, test them out. And all you're going to do is feed the harness through, line up your bolts. Then all you need to do is tighten the nuts, which I just did by finger tightening. And then we're going to tighten them further down with the actual socket. Don't go crazy with it because it is just plastic that it's held into, so you don't want to break anything. And you're just going to put your trim pieces back in, and you're good to go. We're going to do the startup sequence here in